Hello everyone, welcome to Web Solution. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide playlists on Spotify. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. First, go ahead and tap on your library at the bottom right of your screen. Select the playlist that you want to hide. Tap on the three vertical dots. Scroll down a bit. Select Make Private. Tap on Make Private in order to hide your playlist. And that's it. This is how you hide your playlist on Spotify. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too so you'll know when we post a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.